Nature is the source of joy and wellness. At Herbaland, we take what nature gives us and convert it into tasty, fun, and healthy nutritional gummies. These gummies help people obtain the vital nutrients they need to live their best lives. We believe that good nutrition should be accessible to anyone, and inclusivity is important to us. That's why we make plant-based formulas that don't exclude based on religious or dietary restrictions. We also use state-of-the-art eco-forming technology to create clean gummies that are free of major allergens like soy, dairy, gluten, nuts, and more. We always use all-natural, non-GMO ingredients and opt for local or fair trade ingredients whenever possible. So, how do you know that natural products are safe, effective, and high quality? That they're doing what they claim? In 2004, Health Canada introduced new regulations for natural health products that require companies to provide detailed evidence backing up the product's ingredient, quality, safety, and effectiveness claims. They also require companies to follow high quality standards. In fact, Canada has some of the highest quality standards in the world. Once the product receives Health Canada's stamp of approval, it is assigned an 8-digit natural product number, or NPN, that appears on the label. This number lets you, the consumer, know that this product is approved and licensed to sell in Canada. Every single one of Herbaland's products meets Health Canada's high standards and has its very own NPN number on the label, letting you know that it is all natural, safe, and effective, the perfect addition to your healthy lifestyle. Visit our website to learn more about Herbaland products and to find a local retail partner near you.